Yeah.
Respected Talatala, I'd also like to acknowledge the Vanua and the elders, the head teacher and the staffs of Vunidawa District School, students, parents, community leaders, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the school management for the Yangona ceremony, Vinaka. I'm also honored and indeed happy to be here today for the handover of this sports ground. Sports for development is a global agenda where national goals can be achieved through sports and physical activity interventions. Sports also assist us to learn better and achieve better results. As we all have heard and have experienced, that a healthy body makes a healthy mind. NCD is a major killer not only in Fiji, but for the majority of Pacific Islanders. This week, the Ministry of Health and Medical Services is leading discussion on Fiji's plan to respond and fight the NCD crisis in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers and schools needs to be agents of change and impress on our young minds the need to stay fit and healthy and adapt this as a lifelong learning to promote a healthy lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, the upgrade of this Vunidawa School ground has been part of the list of requests, and we are blessed that this is finally been delivered. As the head teacher has mentioned, that the upgrading of the ground was done towards the end of 2019, and we had a plan to come earlier on to do the handover. But as we all are aware, that due to COVID-19 pandemic, we were not able to do this handover. But we are here today to officially hand over this ground to the management of the school. This upgrade ensured the ground meets the required standards and size. And let me also reveal that the assistance was around more than $49,000. It is the commitment of the ministry to ensure that we provide the best investment in sports development and sports facilities across the country. This was done, of course, with the support from the school management and the community. And on behalf of the government, I want to say thank you and vinaka. I must also commend the school's management's commitment to lift this development to another level. Naka. Students, teachers, and parents, there is enough evidence to demonstrate that increasing physical activity and physical fitness improve academic performance through time in the school day dedicated to recess, physical education classes, and physical activity in the curriculum. The Ministry of Youth and Sports promotes school-based sports program as they can bring out noticeable positive development and behavior in our students. And of course, this is in partnership with Ministry of Education. I hope you will maintain your sports ground and ensure that it is utilized to the fullest for the school and the community. I hope it brings you many hours of fun-filled activity as families coming together to enjoy healthy living. Vinaka Waklevu, and thank you. May God bless us all. Mike, come. Right?
Woo!